Kids Kitchen Bakes.
Welcome to Baking for Kids. Remember to ask your parents before cooking anything. Today we are making Snickerdoodle cookies. 1 cup of sugar. A 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Use softened butter, one stick. Remove the butter and 2 eggs. Don't add.
Don't add the shell.
Teaspoons of vanilla. And add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. That was a wet. 2 cups flour. Dry ingredients. Two teaspoons of cream of tartar in the dry ingredients. And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Soda. I meant baking soda. Spoon of salt. Then we take the spatula and fold it. Make sure it's combined for the
Trying to.
not combined, then there's gonna be clumps of one thing.
Right.
Only add a half cup at a time. Or it will explode. Bottom also needs it. Sometimes salt gets stuck. Or flour. make sure there's a space for it before you make it. Otherwise, you're gonna put it back down. You put it at 375. And then you gotta gut that, and then once it beeps, then you put it. Yeah, and then I'll show you the rest once it's done. While the dough is cooling, you want to make the sugar mix. You put a 1/4 cup of sugar and a tablespoon of cinnamon in the same bowl. I like to put it in a different bowl so it looks nice. Actually, it wasn't fully mixed. But I guess that's what it looks like. I know I gotta wait for see?
Okay.
And you put it in the sugar that we made. And roll it in. And this is mine. I asked Mom's. But I needed another one. So I had to ask Mom. Doing that until they're all done. Or you could ask an adult to put them in. Yeah, for you. They're going in for 10 to 12 minutes. And you can't do them both at the same time unless they're high. Otherwise, it won't work. So, timer, home. And I'm gonna add 2 minutes if they're not done. So now it's time to take them off. I like to use spatula. Tastes awesome. The next time this has been Baking for Kids, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!